Hi friends, another productive day. Today I actually slept 9 hours because some of y'all are like, you're doing too much. Do you even sleep? I slept 9 hours today. And then I went to Starbucks for the home buyers workshop today from four of our PACC members. I also joined in on the leadership cohort from 10:30 to 12. And then after that, I went home and took a 2 hour nap. Then I went to a photo shoot because I don't have any headshots of me in my scrubs as a massage therapist or a photo of me like in a Filipiniana look or something fun. So I was helping a up and coming photographer add to um, her photos and to help her gain more her portfolio because she's trying to grow her business. So I helped her with that, and then afterwards I went to Rolling Oaks Mall for the Texas Alamo Aloha Fiestival. I was able to see AC with ACH Creative Designs, and I honestly think I need a Balenciaga intervention because I bought so many bags. And if you don't know what Balenciaga is, it's made in the Philippines. And let me show you these bags that I bought. I already have so many, but the thing with me, anytime I'm going to an event, especially now that I'm region chair, I want to make sure that we're showcasing our traditional Filipino weaving techniques in a way that's not overpowering and still can be business professional. So I got this one. I got this bag. I got this other one. And then I really wanted a red one because we have Valentine's Day, or it's a statement piece, and I love the stitching. And so it's like this. It's a circular bag, and I don't have a purse like that. And then with that comes, because I purchased, she was having a special, and if you buy two medium bags, then you get this pouch for free. And I love this. It's colorful for its spring or a beach look or going traveling. And since I made it over a certain amount, I also got one of these as well. And then I had purchased so much that I got another bag, like a ribbon to add to my bag. So, and then I'd asked her, are there other vendors here that are PACC members? So I walked around and I didn't get a chance to see this, but Sari Sari and Mahal's Kitchen were food vendors at the event. So I'm going to go back tomorrow to support them. And then our region vice chair, Nicolette, is one of the MCs during this event too. So I'm going to go back tomorrow. After the event, I came home and now I am going to take care of myself. Oh, and people were asking me, they're like, why does your skin look like it's glowing? So I started massaging my face the same way I massage my clients. So I do a lot of lymphatic and base massaging when it comes to my own personal face. So before the photo shoot, I went ahead and did some like lymphatic work and massaging. So if you haven't gotten a massage from me yet, one of the parts of my wellness massage is massaging the whole body, including the face. And then I'll try to move some lymphatic fluid away to reduce swelling and to reduce some wrinkles. And it's one of the benefits of getting a massage from me. It's nothing additional. It's already part of the massage. Now I'm going to talk to my mentor. I usually have a touch base to see what's going on in my world. I doing a better job of delegating or automating so that I have more free time, because now I do. Now that I have more free time, I'm actually reading books, doing things that I enjoy, sleeping more. So again, I slept 9 hours last night and then took a 2 hour nap. So that's a total of 11 hours of sleeping. And so I do sleep and I get things done. And tomorrow, I have church in the morning, and then I'm donating plasma, and there's a crawfish fundraising event. And then I'm going to go back to Rolling Oaks to support our PACC members. And then at night, there's a Lead Filipino event. So lots going on in the next 24 hours. I'm so excited to see all of these people that I know. Shout out to Blooms of Aloha, by the way. It was so nice to see her because It's like seeing family every time that I see these vendors. I see them during the Filipino and Pacific Islander Festival and other events too. And it rocked out with my dress, and this dress and the earrings are from my mom. So shout out to all of these people who always try to make me look fashionable. I truly appreciate it. And so yeah, that was my day today, and I hope you had a great Saturday.